What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to show you guys the active tracking right here on the DJI Mini 3 Pro. As you can see right here, I have the DJI Mini 3 Pro with the RC controller. Basically I'm going to give you guys some running, some jogging, and I'm going to also do the active tracking on my car to see how well this basically tracks object and track people in this right here. As you can basically see, the drone is right there in the air right now. Now guys, do the active tracking, make sure that it is in video mode. Now once in video mode, you can basically point on yourself like this by drawing a box, and you can see the active tracking feature come right here guys. So as you can basically see, you have active tracking features right here. So you can basically click on it, click on the active tracking features right now. So we can use this active tracking method right here, as you can basically see. So we can use the trace method or we can use the parallel. So I'm going to use the trace. I'm going to put it to go. So basically whenever I'm walking, it will basically follow me guys. You can see guys, it basically trace me everywhere I go. And with this feature, you realize that the drone is only in one spot. It does not move because it basically tracing me right there. So even if I might go further away from it, the drone will still be in the exact spot, but it just stay in one position, which gonna trace my movements. So as you guys can see, whenever I walk around, it basically tracking me, just as you guys can see right there. So I'm basically in one spot. So basically the drone is in one spot and it's basically tracing me whenever I'm passing, as you guys can basically see right there. And this is the tracing method, as you guys can basically see with this DJI drone right here. So you can see the drone is in one spot and it does not move. So the next tracking method that I'm going to show you guys with this drone right here is the active tracking. I'm just going to do active tracking right here on the DJI Mini 3 Pro. As you can basically see, the drone is in the air right there. So I'm going to test it out right now. So I'm just going to move away from the obstacles. So I'm going to come a bit further out. As you guys can basically see, I'm right here. So to do the active tracking guys, you're going to do it on the screen right here and touch the object right here, which is me. I'm going active tracking right there. Put it and go. And basically I'm just going to walk around the park right here guys, and it's going to basically track me, as you guys can basically see. And this right here have the obstacle avoidance on, so it will basically avoid trees and such like that. So I'm just gonna do some jogging right now. As you guys can see right there, there's some tree behind me guys, as you can basically see. It's doing a good job in avoiding them. Just gonna do some jogging right here. And it's basically avoiding obstacles, as you guys can see right here. There's some small bunch as well in the road, and it's doing a good job of avoiding those as well, as you can basically see. And it's working really great guys with active tracking on right here. So guys, as you can see, it's doing a good job right there with active tracking. There's a lot of obstacles on the way, which it basically avoid as well. And right now I'm gonna do the test right now on my car to see how well it can track it, and you guys just stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna test the tracking accuracy right now on my car right here. So basically, as you can see, that's a car. So I'm just gonna track it right now using the active tracking feature. So as you guys can basically see right now, I'm just gonna hook it up. So guys, recognize this is a car right here, so you can see the icon right there. So I'm gonna turn on right now active tracking. I'm gonna put it on go. So I'm gonna go inside the car right now. I'm gonna drive off and I'm gonna see how well it will track the car right here. So as you guys can see, alright guys, so basically when I was doing the tracking, active tracking on the car, when I come out, same as when I was doing the jogging, it basically giving me some problem because altitude was too low, there was too many trees, and it doesn't do the active tracking very well in low tree area. So when I was running, it was quite fine, but with the car, I have to put the drone a bit higher to basically for the active tracking to work. I'm going to test that now, show you guys basically how that works. Yeah guys, so right now active tracking on right now, as you can basically see. So right now we're just going to, you know, drive off that of tree, as you guys can basically see. So we drive off right now and see how best this basically work. So let's test it out. Problem right here, as you can basically see. So basically when I drive under the tree, it basically lost the subject, as you can basically see right there. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to just go forward. I'm going to see if I can, I'm going to go a bit higher. So there's a car right there, and I'm going to just basically track it back. Active tracking. So we are back to par right now guys, as you can basically see right there. So I realize that we should go a bit higher so that it avoid those obstacle avoidance. So the higher it is, the better that it avoid those obstacle avoidance, as you guys can see right there. I'm going to start again and show you guys. Alright guys, so as you can see, the active tracking was doing quite fine. So I realized that when I put it higher in the ear, it basically worked really great. So as you can basically see right there, tracking it very great, and basically it give it a more time to avoid obstacle avoidance right there. I'm just gonna put it down right now. Alright guys, so thanks for watching this video. Hope this video was helpful. That's you have it. We have the tracking, active tracking, and the DJI Mini 3 Pro right here. So I hope you guys find this video very helpful. The tracking was accurate, as you guys can basically see through the video. So if you find this video very helpful, remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, I see you guys in my next video. Peace out.